Imagine building a multi-billion-dollar car company without spending heavily on traditional advertising. No TV commercials, no big ad campaigns, no constant promotional push. In an industry where competitors spend billions on marketing every year, this sounds almost impossible. Yet Tesla did exactly that. Instead of relying on traditional advertising, Tesla built its growth through a completely different approach: product-driven and community-driven marketing. Tesla understood one key principle. If the product is truly innovative, it can become its own marketing engine. From electric vehicles with cutting-edge technology to features like autopilot and over-the-air updates, Tesla created products that naturally generate attention. People don't just use Tesla cars. They talk about them, share them, and demonstrate them. This is a powerful example of word-of-mouth marketing where customers themselves become promoters of the brand. Another major factor behind Tesla's success is the influence of its CEO, Elon Musk. Unlike traditional companies that rely on corporate advertising, Tesla uses founder-driven branding. Musk's presence on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, creates constant visibility for the company. His announcements, ideas, and even controversies generate global attention, keeping Tesla in the public conversation without paid advertising. Tesla also benefits from community marketing. Early adopters of Tesla vehicles became passionate supporters of the brand. These customers shared their experiences online, created content, and helped educate others about electric vehicles. This created a strong community that amplified Tesla's message organically without the need for traditional ads. Another key strategy is scarcity and hype. Tesla often introduces new products with limited availability and high anticipation. Product launches, such as new vehicle models or updates, are treated like major events, generating excitement and media coverage worldwide. This approach creates demand even before the product becomes widely available. Tesla's marketing is also deeply connected to its mission, accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. This purpose-driven positioning gives customers a reason to support the brand beyond just buying a car. People feel they are part of a larger movement, which strengthens emotional connection and loyalty. The success of Tesla shows that marketing is not always about spending more money on advertising. It is about building something so compelling that people naturally talk about it. A strong product, a clear mission, and an engaged community can sometimes replace traditional advertising entirely. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how modern businesses achieve rapid growth through growth marketing and experimentation.